Ajay Kumar Bala takes oath as Nagaland governor with additional charge. Students form human chain demanding justice for schoolgirl victim of cyber harassment. India-Fiji resolved to boost defense ties. Internal news. Trees down, homes flooded as Typhoon Kaziki batters Batna. Any sports. Mirabai Chanu and Chanaba Mushikanta wins gold and Commonwealth Championship. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Maharaj and my dear friends and teacher. My name is Gesh Kosnam, class 7, section C, roll number 10. My, the name of the poem is Do. To enjoy good health, to bring true happiness to one's family, to bring peace at all, one must find discipline and control one's own mind. If a man can control his mind, he can find all the way to enlighten. And all wisdom and virtue will naturally come to him by Buddha.